Good morning, guys, and it's a sunny 26th of October today. And good news, as of yesterday, we're currently open. No, we're opening Victoria right now. So we're on lockdown for months and months, and we're not allowed to go out. We have only 5 kilometers, and we're only allowed to go out only on a few reasons, 3 reasons, I reckon. And now it's 4 reasons, like just need to get food and everything else. Anyway, enough blabber. So yeah, it's a good thing that today we're opening here now in Victoria. And yeah, what was I gonna say? So the courier just arrived today, so I'm very happy. Well, let me go back. 2 days ago, I just sold my a7c. That was my vlogging camera. It included my Sigma 16 and 1.4, and I really love the camera. But the thing is, yeah, a7c came. So what happened was I ordered an a7c, and I'd like to thank Mark of DigiDirect for organizing it for me. And now the courier just came and just delivered it to me. He delivered it in 24 hours. That's really awesome. The courier even knew me. I forgot to film. He was like, hey, let's go to the pub. But yeah, it's good news. So I have the camera right now, so let's just try to unbox it. Okay, I'm so excited about it. Let's check it out. I haven't been vlogging lately. Also, I'm busy with school. Yeah, it's my last week for this semester, so I'm so busy. Let's check the camera now. Also, I'm filming on the a7 III right now, and it's hard to film whenever you can't see yourself. I got used to it when I was shooting in the 1DX, but now I'm like, yeah, I need a flip screen. Also, this is not a full review of the camera. This is just an unboxing. So if ever you're looking for a review and real life things about the camera, no, it's not. It's just an unboxing. So yeah, for those who complain, yeah, what a waste of time looking at this video or something, this is not it. This is just me unboxing it. Personal video. Yeah. Okay, I don't have time to set up everything, so I'm just gonna go ahead and unbox this thing. Let's go. Oh, it's so light, man. Oh yeah, it's so light. The shadows everywhere. Oh, that's good. Oh yeah. It has the Sony name on top. Shouldn't have that one, you know. That's annoying. I'm heading over to Carlos' place right now, and yeah, so I'm testing out this a7c and how this goes. It's been a while I've been vlogging, but now I'm back. I just need a haircut, that's all I need right now. Oh yeah. So, gotta get back driving now. By the way, I'm using the Tamron, so I'm so happy to use the wide lens right now. Yeah, boy. So, ay, in English na akong vlog. Na-start na ako in English. So I was supposed to film in Bisaya, but I started my vlog in English, so I'm just gonna end it in English. I'm here with Carlo Track, or how do you? He's a Twitch streamer. Yeah. So yeah, just borrowing his lens, and yeah, it's gonna be bad because I borrowed 2 lenses. And the thing is, right now I think I'm interested with one, and I might be interested with the other one. Laura's watching this.
I'm not Tony.
Laura's watching this. Oh my goodness.
I'm not in Tony.
You want to be in Tony?
Yeah, get
please?
20.
Okay. Okay, so this is what you call Tony.
I'm Tony now.
You're Tony now.
So I am Tony.
What Tony?
Tony.
Tony, yeah, you're Tony.
Tony is the distance from the Tony to the Tony into the Tony.
So when I click on that, I'm already Tony and you're not.
Now.
So when I click on that, oh man, that's nice Tony. And if you're gonna be doing this, he melts. He melts. So I'm getting annoyed with this hair. I hope I can go to James' place and cut my hair. But yeah, we're currently at Lister Field right now, and there's a lot of people here. They're all Tony. So we are now on the Sigma 14 to 24. Yeah, 14 to 24. Handheld and onboard mic. I need to up the audio. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, testing. 1, 2, 3. Testing. 1, 2, 3. Okay, there are people behind me, and I think I'm embarrassed to vlog.
Self-conscious,
Yeah, but yeah.
I'm here for more of
Yeah.
the fun.
No, I'm just here. I just want to make you feel uncomfortable. That's it. Okay, so I haven't made a proper vlog for this camera, and yeah, the thing is I'm testing it quickly right now, and I still haven't made any what you call this, anything like any good vlog. But right now I'm testing it with a 28mm f2, and there's no light here, and the only thing that's lighting my face is the LCD screen. So yeah, I have a bit of light here, so this is how it looks, but definitely it's quite dark in here. So yeah, I'm gonna make a full review. I mean, not full description, because a lot of people have already made a review about this camera. But yeah, so that screen is helping out with lighting my face, and I'm at ISO 12,800 watt. Okay, so I'm gonna upload this, and I haven't made a lot of inputs, a lot of vlog today, because I just came back for vlogging, and I'm gonna be shooting already tomorrow, and I need to finish some stuff also today. So that's it for that, guys. It's gonna be a clear vlog, but I'm gonna update you soon. So cheers. Okay, so I can't resist. I just have to try the Tamron 1728. So this is a Tamron 1728, and the ISO right now I have raised it to topping 256,000 ISO. So let's see, that's pitch black over there, and oh, there it is. So I can still vlog a bit. It can even still detect my head. Look at that. So yeah, it's detecting my head. There's a box in my head, and yeah, it's pretty dark in here. You can see my NAS drive there. Can't see anything. And if you go there, it's a bit of light from downstairs. Let's go. So yeah, this is a 2.8 Tamron 1728. Just testing it out, just can't resist. So yeah, I'm gonna put up a complete vlog about this. And yeah, ooh, that's so bright. Okay.